Hey everybody, and welcome to today's video. Today guys, I'll be showing you how to get started with using Clockify. So guys, make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can get started using Clockify in no time. So guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go to google.com and search the following term. Just go ahead and search for Clockify. This will result in the first with a couple of results, and we want to click on the first result, which is clockify.me website. This is the official website of Clockify. So guys, upon entering this website, you'll be greeted by this main page here, which is the main page of Clockify. So as you can see here guys, you can see here you can have the download option, you have the features option, and you can see all the features of Clockify. You can scroll down a bit, see what they have to offer. But the first thing we want to do guys, to make Clockify work right ahead, we want to go ahead and click an account, create an account. So go ahead and click in the upper right corner on this button called sign up for free. Go ahead and click on that and you will be prompted up by this page where you will be able to sign in or sign up for your account. So go ahead and enter your email that you want to use and your password, and then just go ahead and click on create a free account, and then you will be able to start using Clockify. As you can see here guys, after logging into Clockify, this is the main page you will be greeted by. Here is your dashboard where you will be able to work with all of the options that Clockify has to offer. So let's say that we have just installed Clockify and we want to make another project that we want to use. So go ahead and click on this button right here in the time tracker option. As you can see on the left side of the screen, you have you can manage which option you're currently viewing. Go ahead and click here on the plus button called project, and this will open up the ability to either search for a project or create a new project. So we're going to go ahead and create a new project. Let's call it YouTube tutorials. You can select a client. You can use this with Asana or some other program which you can use to track your projects. You can add a client, you can add a template, you can choose the color, if it is public or not, and then click create. As you can see here guys, now the project YouTube tutorials has been created. So after creating the project, we want to go ahead and see our project by clicking on the manage projects option on the left side of the screen, and here you can see the project which you have just created. So you can use this project, you can click on it, you can view it, you can edit it, do whatever you want with the project. So after starting the project, if you want to manage your time, you will just click the start button, and this will start the timer, which you can then stop and enable again anytime you choose. So add a description of the project, add a project that you have been monitoring, and so on and so on. So guys, that's how you get started using Clockify. You can go around and explore the options for yourself to find out more. But yeah guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.